Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to find the area of a triangle. So if we draw a triangle in a Cartesian plane, if we join any 3 points in a Cartesian plane, we will get a triangle. So in this video we are going to see how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, let us see. Triangle ABC. So A is x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3. Here A, B, C are the three vertices of a triangle. So if we draw a perpendicular line from these vertices to x-axis, it looks like this. Okay. So look at, if we draw a perpendicular line from the vertices A to x-axis, so we can take, if A is perpendicular to x-axis, E must be x1, 0 because E lies on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Then like that, similarly we can draw BF and CG. So F must be x2, 0. G must be x3, 0. So we have to find the area of this triangle ABC. Okay, here we have 6 vertices A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, E, F, G. Okay, so if we take the first trapezium, A, B, F, E, A, B, F, E, then B, F, G, C, then the third trapezium A, E, G, C. So if we add the first two trapezium and if we subtract the third trapezium, definitely we will get the area of the triangle. So like this, when you look at the figure, you can understand clearly. Okay, listen. So in this case, we have to find the area of these three trapezium. So let us take the first one, AEFB. Let us take the first trapezium AEFB. So we will find similar method we can find. So the altitudes, the height, distance between the parallel line of a trapezium, we can find x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2, x3 minus x1. Then the parallel side, length of the parallel side, y1, y2, y3. These are the parallel sides of a trapeziums. Okay, so area of a trapezium is half into height into a plus b, half into h into a plus b. So let us take the first one. Let us take the first trapezium. Here we can divide this trapezium into two figures. One is rectangle, another one is triangle. So let us take the rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So x2 minus x1 and y1, they are equal sides. Then the triangle, the base AD is x2 minus x1 and the height BD. How to find BD? BF minus AE. BF minus AE is equal to AD. So y2 minus y1 is equal to BD. You understand? Okay. If you add the area of these two figures, we will get the area of a trapezium. So length into breadth, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So y1 into x2 minus x1. y1 is L, this is B. Okay, then when you come to the triangle of into base into height, here what is base? Base is AD. So what is AD? x2 minus x1 and the height y2 minus y1. Okay, this is base and this is height. Okay, so if we add these two, area of a trapezium is equal to y1 into x2 minus x1 plus 1 by 2 into x2 minus x1 into y2 minus y1. So when we simplify these two formula, we will get this. Okay, this is the area of a trapezium. So similarly we can find all other three trapezium. So let us go to the main figure which we have drawn in the Cartesian plane. So look at the Cartesian plane. Here we have three trapezium. So the first one we have found the area of a trapezium. So similarly we can find the remaining two like this. So area of a triangle is equal to sum of the first two trapezium minus third trapezium. So here what is the common term? 1 by 2 is the common term. So 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y1 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of a triangle. It's very simple, no? Okay. So I will give a clue to keep this formula in your mind. So write the numbers like this: 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. So arrange this number like a column and row. Look at the first column. This represent x. Then look at the second two columns. These columns represent y. So area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2, right, as it is, into the first column 1, that is x1, into the next two number 2 3. So into y2 minus y3. Then look at the second number 2, that is x2. Then 3 and 1. So into y3 minus y1. Then look at the third one, that is x3. y1 minus y2. Do you understand? It is a very simple way to remember the formula. So don't muck up, try to understand the concept. Okay? So let us see one example to solve this problem. So if ABC are the three vertices of a triangle like this here, A 2, 3, B 6, 1, and 6, 4, and C 3, 6. So like this, ABC is a triangle. We have to find the area of a triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, just substitute the value of the variable. Here the variable x1, y1 is 2, 3. x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3. So just substitute these values in the given formula and simplify. You will get the answer 11 by 2 when you simplify it. So because of area you have to write square unit. This is the way to solve the area of a triangle. So just we have drawn the triangle, we split it into many different trapezium, then finally using the trapezium formula we have found the area of a triangle formula. So keep this in your mind, don't mug up, keep in your mind.